Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waxaan salaamayaa ardayda Iqra. Welcome to Iqra College. So, today waxaan joogaa coach
Abdulrasaaq, anaguna maanta waxaan joogaa
Coach Ramsey. So, waxaan sameeynay maanta taskiska buugaagtiina ku yaala ayaan practice ka sameeynay. Saad idinkuna example ha anaga nooga qaadatiin oo noogu dhaqataan. Yes, oo naga dabadayatiin. So coach, I will ask you the first question.
Okay, what's your first question?
What are your abilities?
My abilities, I am a very, very good cook.
You can cook?
Yes.
Okay, what can you cook?
I can cook anything. The food I cook is amazing. So I am a very, very good cook. I can cook, for example, delicious food, for example, curries, lasagnas, cakes. I can bake as well. So anything in the kitchen is me.
Very good, very good. Can you cook pasta?
Easy.
Easy?
Yes, simple.
Okay.
Yes, I can cook anything, I say.
Okay.
I can cook anything. For example, have you ever cooked chicken tender pie?
No.
I can cook that.
Very good, very good. So tell me, coach.
Yes.
Can you ride a bicycle?
I learned how to ride a bicycle, I think, when I was 7, 8 years old.
Yeah, what's a bicycle?
A bicycle. It's baskil. Of Somali, baskil. Yes.
Very good. So you can ride bicycles?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle. I can even ride a motorbike. Have you know a motor? I can ride that as well.
Okay. Can you drive?
Yes, I've been driving for around 6, 7 years now.
Very good.
I even drive manuals, not just automatic.
Me too.
You drive manual?
Yeah.
I once drove a bus.
Really?
Yes.
Great.
I drove a bus in Hargeisa one time.
Great.
Yes.
Tell me, what can't you do?
What can't I do?
You cannot.
So, I can swim, but what can I not do? That's hard. I cannot, for example, I don't know. And what can I not do? Oh, I cannot speak.
His thing, lie.
I can't lie.
Brother Kega, I didn't go to no wedding.
Wallah?
Yeah.
I
see no damn aunt. Nikan wax kasta oo sameyn karayaa le.
wax kasta oo sameyn kara
waxba ma sameyn karayo. I can't do anything. I can't. Come on, just lie. Say I can't clean or say I can't fix.
ما كمان تبغى صوب لونه
No. برضه ما كودنا.
Okay. What? Below.
Can you tell me, coach, what can you not do?
What can I not do? For example, I'm scared of heights. I cannot climb somewhere very high. So that's one of the things I can't do.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me, can you fix a car?
No, I cannot fix a car.
You can't?
No, I cannot. I can fix the small things. For example, I can change the tires. For example, I can start the car with 2 wires. But I cannot fix it.
Okay.
Yes.
So, how about you ask me? I'll do so with you.
Okay. Can you talk about your abilities? Ramsey, let's go.
Yes. So, I can clean. I'm a very good cleaner.
So you can wipe the floors?
I can wipe the floors. I can clean my room.
Okay, nice.
Very good.
So you can clean. Fantastic.
Yeah.
What else can you do?
I can drive a boat. Boat. Do you know boat?
Yes,
What's the boat?
Lashka. I'm a donta.
I
once drove a boat when I was in Sela. I don't know Sela, but Malin Kahane Lashar. And we went to, who knows the island near Sela?
The Sailor Islands.
Yes. Do you know the Jasirada's name?
I don't really know.
Okay, we went. I think its name is called, not Dar es Salaam.
Dar es Salaam.
Is it Dar es Salaam?
It's Dar es Salaam.
Yes, I went there. And there's heroin. There's a lot of things there.
Very good. Well, I can also swim.
Can you swim?
I can swim.
Okay, were you sure?
Yes.
Nice. I can swim as well. I remember I swam in Birkets, I swam in the ocean, I swim everywhere. What can you not do, Ramsey? Let's talk about your flaws.
Flaw. No, كلمة flaw am حل.
Flaw منه هو قفك تصالحان وح أنا أبوذ وح أنا قبل كريم. وح قفك كحن يحي وي. Let's talk about your flaws. What are you bad with? محد كحن تمسانة دوذين السميس.
Well.
Inability.
Well, I cannot drive a plane.
Can you dance?
I cannot dance.
You cannot dance as well?
I can't dance.
Oh, you cannot
I
dance.
don't like dancing.
Can you
That's
sing though?
majority. I can't sing.
You can't sing as
I
well?
have a bad voice. I can't sing.
Okay. Can you, for example, how's your football skills? Can you play football?
Oh, yes, I can play football.
You're a goalkeeper?
No, I'm actually a good midfielder.
You're a midfielder?
Yeah.
Wow, he is a midfielder. Okay, so I've got one more question for you about what you cannot do. Can you, for example, speak in front of a lot of people?
No, I can't. I'm shy.
You're shy?
I can't speak in front of people. I'm too shy.
You're too shy?
Yes.
Nice, okay. So, okay, we said that at the same time. Go ahead, you continue.
So, maanta intaasan kusoo absharaynaa waxaan nigi rabnaa idinka inaad nagu dayatiin examplada aan imika bixinayno nooga soo jawaaba maalinta meetingka loo leeyahayna
aad dadaashaan
yes. Dadaalkiina ayaa sidaad luqada u baranaysiin ku xidhnaanaysaa. So just try to be active. aad iyo aadna wayniin soo dhaweyna.
aad wada
Assalaamu calaykum
waraxmatullaahi
wabarakaatu.